Hello there, YouTube family. Welcome back to the Pride Pack. I'm here today to bring you another DIY video. We are going to begin transforming our master bedroom by painting some furniture. Let's go. So we got our master bedroom furniture about 3 years ago from Walker Furniture. We were happy with it when we purchased it, but our style is just really different already, and we're just not super thrilled with the furniture. If we could, we would just buy a new furniture set, but that's just not practical right now, especially since this furniture really isn't very old. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to paint the furniture white. So I'll show you in a second. The bedroom set is like a very dark brown color. It almost looks black, but it's very dark brown. And yeah, I'm going to be sanding it down, painting it white, and changing the hardware on it. So I'll show you some befores and let's see if we can transform this thing. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to break these videos up because painting the furniture is only going to be one part of the bedroom transformation. Not only am I planning to paint the furniture, I'm also planning to rearrange this room, change up the placement of all the furniture. I want to create an accent wall, so we're going to paint the new main wall a different color, and we are going to hang some paintings, get some additional furniture, but that's going to be a longer process. So we'll see how I end up splitting these videos, but be on the lookout for more videos on how we transform this room. Okay, so we are starting off by removing all of the drawers from the dressers, and that way it's just easier to paint and get all of the sides. And then I am removing all of the hardware that was on the dressers before I sand it down. I am using my Orbit hand sander, and I'm just going to sand all the tops down. I decided to just do all the drawers first, and then I'll do the full-on dresser, but the process will be the same for all of it. So we're just going to sand it down very lightly. This is going to be using 220 grit sandpaper. You don't actually have to use an electric sander. You can just do a hand sander too, but the electric one will make it go quicker. Okay, the hardware is removed, the drawers are sanded, and now I am going to go in with this paint. I'm using the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch paint and primer and semi-gloss. And then I do have the sprayer attachment so that it's much more comfortable. And then I'm going to do my first coat. I will probably do 2 to 3 coats, just depending on how it looks and how it is holding on. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so I don't even remember the last thing that I filmed, but so basically we spray painted all of the furniture, all the drawers, the bed frame, the dressers. We spray painted everything. I made the mistake, so I wanted to do a top coat because it was scratching off. So I went to find a top coat. I couldn't really find any like clear clear top coat, so I decided to do polyurethane, and unfortunately that kind of tinted the stuff yellow. So then I ended up going back over and retouching up and spray painting pretty much everything. But now everything looks really pretty, and I'll show you the hardware that I'm going to install, because I am replacing the old silver hardware that was on the dressers for these like wooden knobs. So let's get that done. We're almost done here. So these are the wooden pulls that I'm going to be installing. I got these from Amazon. It was only like $10 per pack. Please ignore my messy room because obviously everything is out of the dressers right now. So yeah, I'm gonna get these installed and then rearrange this room and we will be all done. All right, you guys, please let me know what you think of, I think all the furniture turned out really, really nice. We'll see how well it holds up. I mean, luckily, if anything like chips or dings, like you can just like take some spray paint and just touch it up at any time. But I think it turned out really beautiful. It's just got such a light, fresh look. I love the wooden hardware that I ended up getting for it, and I just think I'm just really happy with it. So let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Oh, by the way, please ignore like the bedding on the furniture and that there's no stuff hanging on the walls. That's still a process. So this room is definitely not done. This was just doing the furniture, and I'll have another video hopefully within the next couple of months that doing like an actual tour of this room once we decorate it and everything. But as far as the furniture, I love this furniture way better for our master bedroom than the dark that we had before. So if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, especially if you're making it all the way through to the end of my videos. It really does help me out. And if you'd like to receive notifications for whenever I post a new video, please do not forget to hit that bell icon.